So this is a harvested plant of parsley, and this one has not yet been harvested. So what we've done here is we've preserved the apical growing point, which is this tiny little piece right here, and at least 2 to 3 leaves. So we'll come over here and we'll just gently pinch off any of the bigger leaves, and this is going to regrow within about a week, give or take, maybe 4 to 5 days. And for our bunches of parsley, we're going to be putting 2 plants per bunch, and that's pretty much what a harvested parsley plant looks like. And this is the parsley that I was able to get off of it. So once you've got your bunch of parsley, last little step here is to come on and to put the elastic. You don't want to put it too tight, so I usually like to do 3 times around. 2 is a bit loose. Sometimes you can add a 4th one. We'll go 4 here. So it's got an elastic, it's ready to go, good size. Last little step, take our knife here, be very careful not to cut yourself. I tend to do it towards my thumb, which is a little bit more dangerous. You should always cut away from yourself, but gives you a nice clean looking bunch of parsley.